In this video, I will tell you how to give the executable path of PHP in your Visual Studio Code. Um, so for that, you open the Visual Studio Code and you can see the setting option over here. Click that setting and go to settings option, and here you will see going to workspace, mm, going to user. You can see what are all, so many options available here, and in that you can see extensions. By clicking that, since we need to edit JSON file, so I'm clicking JSON, and once after clicking this one, you can see edit in settings.json. So here you have to give your, you can see here you are, I hope you were able to see this one, which is php.validate.executable path. If you don't give this one, it will be empty. So you have to give your exam path, which is WAMP server, whatever the server may be, either it may be examp or WAMP server, what is being installed in your system, that path you have to give here. So in my system, you can see c colon exam php php.exe. So let me check that. So C colon exam and then in PHP, and then here you can see that php.exe. So copy this path and paste it over here. You can see, let me paste it over here. You can see both will be same. So I have just copied the path. The actual file is slash php.exe. So one more thing, you have to make this slashes backward slash, and now you can see both paths are same. So this is how you have to give your PHP executable path into the Visual Studio Code so that you can run the programs in offline. Thank you.